Now the future. Me and the young guys. Queenie. Nice. Bless up on yourself, yeah? Alright. So, I'm going to make when you come to Jamaica and want the original brand them, can get them online. And I'm going to give you a little sneak preview of some of the stock now. So, you can get beautiful. Yes, madam.
Alice, show me the show me TikTok live. What's that for TikTok live, right?
No, this one I'm not TikTok, but they're on Instagram.
Okay, go on Instagram. Okay.
So I say right now, I'm going to show them the stock. So you forgot on it right now, go on my live.
On your live?
Just go join her live. Never go on TikTok live.
I'm sending you a second.
So just type. So when they will come up. So you can get the original this side here. So them see your name, yeah?
So don't do anything. Don't do anything. Chippy, take what you said,
So you're going to type now.
T-shirt.
You see where you right, I'm going to come up on this and I'm going to pin it. You saw me pin this? Right. No, you don't have to put your name because I type it your name there. So just know for all of your original brands.
Marius original brand,
For all of your original brands, because it's already your page.
Oh.
So you don't need to put your name. For all the original brands. Clocks,
In good find something that come to you.
T-shirt, kickers, original brands. Yeah. Everything is here. A bit of everything. Yeah? So it's Mario's.
All the original brand parts.
Kickers. Just put a bit of everything where you have. You don't have to put the wallaby card, come on the class.
Okay. Put polo there.
Yeah. So them know the brand name where you have.
Yeah.
See them original. These are original polos. Proper thing. Real deal. Everything when you can get shot.
Pull up what? The chippy pull up one minute. Pull up first.
And you can get the good clocks then. Boxers, bumbo clots. All I buy them with a good body. See them nice boxers them, yeah? Yeah. See the kickers them, yeah? See the clots them there. So a whole heap of things that go on.
Maria.
Respect the general. Respect. One connection.
Never lie. One
clots.
So I go and see foot gears then.
Foot play, foot!
That fits it.
Watch all that polo, yeah? They're proper things, man. Mario, you send it off? Alright, do it. You finished, right?
Let's do it.
Do this for you.
I
I meant me finish.
What kind of them smell? This is it. Wait, what me finish something to do?
Alright, where am I so far now? Yeah. So just tell them for DM him. Where am I right so far? You take it where? Pussy clock. And where you get that new clocks, your daddy? Body no party. See that? Original, proper thing. So I don't want the proper thing them gonna come right here. So original. Yeah? I see the boxers them there. I'm gonna pin it. Yes, I'm gonna pin it.
Why? I'm only just.
I'm gonna put the hat. Yeah? Bumbo clad chippy! Chipping out the box! Bumbo rascal. Put the camera up on me, make me find the fish.
Okay, yes, sir. Boss them, we fix it, but boss them, Queenie.
Shoes, foot.
Put on my life. This is my life to show Queenie for my life.
All different colors.
Yeah, so.
All different styles.
Yeah.
All different.
Yeah, sure, promote me.
This is our kickers.
Yeah.
And they're all original. No carbon copy, no China copy. Original proper thing. So when you spend your money, you're not going to regret it. I have to come back to show them. I don't know what to do. I have to come back. What? Orange class. Every color class you can get. Look at the orange one here.
Bust the way you put it.
You don't have to bust them, man. You don't have to promotion thing. Wow. Class. Bumbo clap. Cook. How will you get that new class?
Marius original, find the page. 1 bar triple 2. From IG.
Nice.
1 bar triple 2. 1 bar, yeah, man, see there. 1 bar triple 2. Show them.
You post it, do it. Then you act it. Then you pin it. Class. Every color class.
Oh, the 12 man work on for them. Was it 12 man? Yeah.
My shoe slippers confused. Don't you hear that?
Yeah, man. See all the weavers, you know. Pull this to do it, Shem. See all the weavers. Power couple. Yeah. Weavers.
That's what you see.
Who was the queen here?
Them things fit neat for feet.
1 bar triple 3.
Original.
1 bar triple 2. Follow me on IG. Please support.
The same page you see pin right now. You hear that? 1 bar.
Marius original.
See that?
Somebody want the queen way.
Yeah. Can you know me not good for this?
Yeah. Pin for the man. Yes, man. Bumbo clap. What is doing? Good t-shirt.
Yeah.
No, Maria, I'm impressed. I am impressed. Look at this. I'm not pull out this.
Maria,
It's a free.
Beer original. Proper thing. So
Which
you
one
know
of
what
the
original
internet
brand?
profits are on here?
This is the one.
Next.
Oh no! Come on,
Shots,
come with the policy shots.
What's the t-shirt?
Bust out the shorts. Then they have a t-shirt.
Yeah. See, look, see, exactly. Look. See, exactly.
Okay.
And an embroidery and then a stick on.
Proper thing, original
Yeah, man.
thing.
From this way.
Yeah, proper quality because it's original.
Yeah, man.
It's not on the card.
Yeah, from here to England and come from one and have to ask question when I want.
Class Dream Weekend coming up. Here we go. Wake up. All of the aqua them. All of the aqua them. Have the money. Come spend up on the money and come get to the original.
I like.
Right, yes, I want some.
I want to get them.
Let me well on to one thing say.
It's alright.
I can't stop.
What's your color? Yeah, look nice.
And they come here, it's a 6.
Class. No, I'm gonna stay at one night in Ivan.
Queen in the building,
If
guys.
you come spend on the money because I don't know a girl segment and the season's festive now. All the things are going Chuggy Sands, Dream Weekend, Jerk Festival, Queenie Day are going with her accent. Come get up the piece them, all of the photos brand them. Come there. Nice. Woo. Jesus Christ, come
Queen,
here.
can you give my life the way, please? TikTok
Queen Wave say yes, cause the Queen is there and TikTok watch that. Queen Wave, blessed them. Bless some napkin. Come already. Whoa. Jesus Christ. The amount of things I'm doing in one day. God bless me. Energy. Yes. Wow. Get some water. I just don't drink almost 1 bottle of water. I don't want water. Hello, good evening. My dad, the Queen is here. Yeah, man, blessing. Yeah, man, crazy, never lazy. Bless up. Yeah, man, it's the boots of me, man. Yes. Everything there, every color. That I do it everywhere. Me got them this song. Do it. One man to me good it. That I do it. That I do it. Make a girl. The queen is air. Have no fear. What your name, darling? Say hi to my people then.
Hi, Denisha be free on TikTok.
Okay. Mama tell her with my husband. So you know, so I do make my message overnight. And then a while I go again. I even turn around here. And I say, look at that. When him say, message Maria, message, I say that Jamaica. I say, what? I do tell my message out there, man. Bloodclvat. I love this. Bloodclvat. Beer stock. Them are mad. Clarks, I'm sick. Yes, I'm impressed. And you hear that? And I just go over to the plate, see the one bars. One bars, 22. See that? Barrel come! Do it, I'm ready. Remember, we have 2 more stops to make. Alright, crazies. Alright, my dad. So yes, God will bless. Yeah?
But you're talking about the woman. Oh, sometimes you know her from.
How you know me? Carry me aki girl instant market, not a quatty what said. Lord, what a night, what a night, what a Sunday night. Everybody come feel up where the woman bring. Come we go down a Manuel Road, girl and boy. Feel up your cracks, oh. Come we go down a girl and road. Girl and boy, feel up your cracks, oh. Broke them one by one, girl and boy, broke them 2 by 2. Girl and boy, finger mash not crack. Girl and boy, remember I play, we a play, girl and boy. Don't money well, finger cracks, them 1 by 1, girl and boy. Them 2 by 2, girl and boy, finger mash not crack. But I'm
Oh, this person know your words. You should know you're from England too.
yeah.
Carla.
Hello, TikTokers, Queenie. Mwah.
What's that?
I want to flavor some. Flavor some.
Full of flavor. I got me some man. Natural.
You know me?
Hey, I know you, then I'm Queenie.
You're a great man.
You know I'm a great man.
I'm a great man.
Is it your bro?
Yeah, man.
What's up, great man? Bless his love. You're a great man indeed. That nice one. Sick.
But we don't get to do it.
I saw you there.
Oh, we love it, see.
Hey, man. I can stick it. Yeah.
Yeah, man. We love the energy, man.
Alright, when we're at done, alright, no, don't do it. Send the request. Accept it. I wish I know they do it.
Oh, so now see live too. Now see live.
Yeah. No more than wait there. Teacher do it. For a minute. Do it then.
Yes.